What's up, guys? So I got a new pen on eBay like a month ago, and this thing finally came. It's the Evod Twist 2. So I'm just doing a little unboxing video, show you guys how it works, what it looks like. Um, I got the 1100 MAH one, the third one down, that one. But this pen's pretty cool. You see it goes up to 4.8 volts. It starts at 3.3, 3.8, and the way it works is there's this little red mark right there on the silver part, and you twist that to which heat setting you want it to be on. It's kind of hard to twist, honestly, but I keep it on the highest one. So let me see. I'm gonna screw on this cookies cart real quick. See how this thing works. So if you want to, I'm trying to remember. Oh yeah, if you want to turn it off, you click it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if you want to turn it back on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. But this thing's pretty heavy. It feels durable. I'm gonna test it out real quick, see how it's hitting. Yeah, this is gonna be one of my new favorite pens. The cool thing about this thing is it was only like 11 bucks, I think, so it took a little bit to get here, but I know you can find these in vape shops and stuff. But I mean, it hit perfectly, works good. I'm curious to see how long this thing will hold up, but from first looks, this is a pretty solid buy. I would recommend it. If you guys do me a favor and slap that like button, and if you guys could also check out the rest of my videos. I got a lot of different unboxing videos of different vapes, testing out different cartridges and stuff. Just check me out. I appreciate it. Thanks. Peace.